I've been working at Axway for almost 4 years. I started working here as an intern in the marketing team. People recognize each other and the hard work that we do every day.
I'm a customer technical support intern. I am working with support team and services team. Here in Axway is my first opportunity to work in my area. I'm really glad to be here with these amazing people and learn a lot of things about what I want.
I started here as an intern in 2021. I was hired as a marketing coordinator. I really like coming here because I feel like we struck kind of a good balance between in-office working days and home office.
I'm the marketing director for Latin America. When I started at Axway, we didn't even have an office. Having an office and a space for us to be together here as a team, for me is a big step. So it was really important when 10 years ago we came to this place, to this office, to be a real team.
I've been with Axway for about 9 years. I started with maintenance renewal. About 2 years ago, I moved to sales. So today I am an account executive. When I get here, the first thing I like to do is to go to the balcony and drink a nice cup of espresso. After that, we have all the people start getting into the office and we start the meetings.
On my day of work, I always calls with the customers and the global team. That's a really good opportunity to learn more things about everything I do right here. I can improve my English talking with the global team. I really like to talk to the customers, what we can do to help them.
I am a Latin woman, but I'm also half Japanese, so working in a multicultural place, it's a great way to be in touch with other cultures and to learn with each other.
The best part about coming to the office would be like the interactions with my colleagues. After the pandemic, being here in person to work has helped me very much, forming deeper bonds with the people I work with.
It's pivotal to talk to people, interact with other teams. This is great for me.
My favorite spot in the office is the meeting room. First, I like the beautiful view. Here is the place where we get together. We have some coffee after lunch where we have all the devices that we needed to have our meetings, the place to do interviews, and where we discuss important subjects about our jobs and our goals.
When we go to the meeting room to have a coffee together, or when we go out for lunch, or when we are at events for customers or even the internal ones, it's the best time that we can have together, just to be with the team and see each other and tell stories and what's going on with our lives.